Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about my project, Tilapia Ona. It's an open source as you can see here, uh, and yeah, open source, created by me, some guy called John. Okay, what this project does is keep track of fishes and the exchange of said fish. So basically, it keeps track of the tilapia that I'll be selling. Okay, here we go. So this is the class tilapia owner, and this is the definition of the init. Okay, and this is the check event. Okay, this is the set date. We'll check the date and then we'll update it with the new date. And this entry point is the set fish data. We will update the fish data by setting it the new fish number of fish and the weight. And it will also set the location, which is kept by longitude and latitude. And you can change owner. Okay, so basically what this project does is to keep track of your fish. Okay, so this is the test, tilapia exchange test. Okay, what it does is first it will create the test scenario, and then it will initialize the test address. So fishery, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys, which is the fishery, the driver guy, the market, pasar borong, the delivery guy, and then the final market. Yeah, the real market. This project is basically built on top of Tezos. So we'll be using Tezos blockchain to keep track of the data. Okay, here we go. So first we pick and package the fish into a box with QR code. Actually there's a 1E. Okay, hang on. Okay, never mind. Okay, so generate the scenario and set the date for the fish exchange to today. Actually no, not today. Today's the 12th. To on the 9th. This 11011 is actually the QR code for the box, which contains the fish. Okay, so we just create entry with this QR code created by fishery because he's the first owner. Okay, so after you create the QR code, the entry for this fish, you set how many fish and the weight for it. So which is done here in set fish data, also by fishery. Okay, after that you set the location where the fish are packed, the longitude and the latitude. Yeah, it's run by fishery also. Okay, so when the delivery guy arrives, he'll grab the fish. So the fishery need to change the owner of said fish to the driver guy. So change owner. Yeah. Okay. After that, the driver guy picks up the fish and drives to the new place, which is pasar borong, wholesaler. I think they call it in English. Okay. So the date is on the 10th. This is the QR code for the box. Okay, so the guy arrived. He set the date and the location of the pasar borong, which is this new one. This is actually the longitude and latitude for the pasar borong, which means this driver guy has arrived, and he changed the owner of that set package from driver guy to pasar borong, which is done here. Change owner. Okay. Okay, so the pasar borong guy um, got the fish, and he'll do some stuff to it. Hopefully all good. And oh, okay. Oh, okay. And then he'll give it to the delivery guy. The delivery guy is different from driver guy, so yeah, two different guys. Okay. Okay. The delivery guy picks up the fish on that date, which is on the 11, and he brought it to this new location, which is this one. I'm not sure where it is. Randomly picked. You can see it in Google Map though. Okay. He sends it to this place. I think it's the market. I'm not sure, but I think so. And he gives the owner. He changed the owner of the package from delivery guy to the market guy. So, yeah, the final owner is the market guy. That's it. Uh, any question? Just email Games Brewer. Games Brewer something something. I think. Okay, done. Good job. Okay, now we are moving to Smart Pie, which is the Tezos thingy to test the Python stuff that I created. So basically what we do is import the file, load contract from this, and browse as the name of Smart Pie Tilapia. Open and click load contract, and this is the contract that we had just now. Okay, so yeah, we just click run and it's running. Okay, and this is the output. Okay, so yeah, it sets the date for the fish exchange, and set number of fish and weight, set the location on longitude and latitude to the new one, and then change the owner and set the new owner to the driver guy, and set the location. The driver guy arrives to the new place, and change owner again. This is the Pasaborong guy, and Pasaborong guy change to delivery guy. Yeah, and yeah, no error. So everything seems to run okay. So yeah, I guess I'm done. Thanks.